Welcome to this episode of the Aspen Home Experience, where I show you the best that Aspen has to offer. Today, we're back in the little oasis of Old Snowmass. Today's home blends contemporary design and Western architecture. Come take a look. The broad views of the Elk Mountain range are framed with floor-to-ceiling windows that can be viewed from the living room and the main floor primary bedroom. Outdoor living areas are enhanced by a contemporary water feature and a mature garden. The 3-car garage is designed with gear and vehicle enthusiasts in mind. Guest suites are upstairs with a kitchenette and a living room perfect for visiting family and guests. Thank you for joining me on this episode of the Aspen Home Experience. I hope you enjoyed Old Snowmass. It truly is a special place in our valley. As always, feel free to leave me a comment below and don't forget to like and subscribe. And for other videos of Old Snowmass, click here.